Hi, my name is Sandy Russell, and I'm a trial lawyer. There will soon be a new Cochise County Superior Court trial judge in Division 5. This has the potential to impact you or someone you may know personally. I am running for this position because I have the right experience for the job. What is the right experience? What makes a good trial judge? The Superior Court handles all of the county's criminal felony proceedings. It also handles a wide range of civil disputes to include divorce, child custody, name changes, personal injury, medical malpractice, contract disputes, landlord-tenant, and many other areas of civil law. Roughly 60% of all of the cases filed in Cochise County are civil. With the exception of family law cases, most of the cases filed in Cochise County Superior Court are decided by a jury. This means the judge's role is limited to presiding over the trials and facilitating the justice process. And at all times, the judge must remain neutral, non-biased, and non-political. Politics has no place in the trial court. When voting on a judicial candidate, it is best to consider a trial lawyer, preferably a trial lawyer who has a broad range of legal experience to match the broad range of types of cases that the Superior Court hears, rather than a lawyer who has focused their practice in only one or two areas of the law. As a trial lawyer with a broad range of legal experience, I have the right experience. In my 17 years of practicing law, I have handled cases in both civil and criminal courts. I have been both a prosecutor and a criminal defense attorney. I have also handled a wide range of civil disputes to include divorce, child custody, contract disputes, personal injury, medical malpractice, landlord-tenant, and probate issues, as well as many other areas of the law. I have been in front of good judges and I have been in front of bad judges. I know what it takes to be a good judge. It requires experience, competence, temperament, ethics, and a sincere desire to get your decision right. I have the experience, the competence, the temperament, the ethics, and the desire to get the decision right. Teddy Roosevelt once said, "Nobody cares what you know until they know how much you care." To be a good judge requires you to be a person too. The life experience of a lawyer is important and is a good indicator of how much they will care in the courtroom. A good judge understands the real and personal impact their decisions have on the people who stand before them. I understand that impact, not only from representing hundreds of clients over the years, but also from my own personal tragedy that led me to the practice of law. I know how important a judge's ruling can be to the people who stand before him. I genuinely care about making sure that I make the right decision in accordance with the law. I am passionate about justice for Cochise County residents. You see, I grew up in a very rural community just like this one, where we had more cows than people. My first job was working on a dairy farm where I milked cows twice a day, both before and after school. My parents were both blue-collar workers who taught me the value of hard work. As a child, I never imagined that I would go to college, much less become a lawyer. But because of the values that my parents instilled in me, I was able to reach farther than I had ever dreamed. I continue to apply these values in my everyday life as well as the practice of law. I truly care about this community. I have the right experience and I am the right choice for Cochise County's next Superior Court Judge for Division 5. Vote for me on November 3rd, 2020. Let me serve our community. You can support me in my campaign by liking and following my pages on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.